Hello guys, good evening. It is Christmas here in Centrio. Tara, Christmas na kayo. So guys, currently naami karon diri sa Centrio, naami sa center of attraction sa ilahang Christmas light decoration. Look at that, it's very beautiful. It is very beautiful. Yes, it is very beautiful. Hello Tot! Centrio! Hello guys! Yes, sige mi pa picture diri kay gwapo gid kay ang attraction diri sa CDO ay sa Centrio I mean. Ayan, di ba? Until now, still we are getting some pictures. Sige man, ipakuha pictures ito. Yung photographer ba? Well guys, here we are again. So, Centrio is like counterpart sa Abriza Mall sa Davao, which is one of our favorite mall po. Ayun. Maybe usap picture na po na ko sa to usap. So guys, we are leaving the center of attraction kasi we are here sa Centrio for actually we just want to watch the movie Moana. So we are going to the cinema and we are on our way to the cinema. Guys, we are leaving the center of attraction kasi we are here sa Centrio for actually we just want to watch the movie Moana. So we are going to the cinema and we are on our way to the cinema. Tickets for movies. And here's Tot. Hi guys, we are here at the counter na bibili na kami ng tickets for the movie. And ang mamang palitin ay Moana. Disappointment. 4:40 PM lang tama ng Moana. We can't watch the movie. Probably sa internet na magtanawan eh. Pagkita naman yung pagkitaan. So guys, may explore na namin dito sa Centrio. We're going to look for something to eat, to do, or to do something for fun. Yun lang. It's already 7 PM and 8 PM na day actually. 8 na day ay? And dapat mi din actually just enjoying. Yun lang. So guys, Bilikanta Mall is not our first time here sa Centrio. And actually this is one of our favorite mall po if ever na kami din sa Cagayan because actually doon lang siya sa mga hotel room na ginastayhan. Very accessible lang mga that's why mo na yung among so this is the first time nag-vlog me about sa Centrio and yes, we love it here. So, Merry Christmas guys! We'll get back to you. Guys, so muna siya ang ginatawag na the wife syndrome. Shopping here, shopping there. Saan man ni mo? Ha? Guys, namin dito sa Daiso. The wife syndrome. Pili dito. Shopping. Mas kinsari palito niya. We are going out. 88 pesos all. Ano yun? Nakakaluin ito. Gusto kami ng tubig? Mango shake mong gusto? Ano naman? Wala kang mango shake ko. Nanarado naman sila. Saan man natin ka nun? Ha? Wala na? Ano uy? Ano man? More. Dili ka. Uy, naka-lights. Hapit na mo man akong kondo guys. Mo na siya akong kondo gipabuhat. Hello guys. Good evening. We are back here sa mga hotel room na gistayhan. And it's just then we just had our real experience again here sa Cagayan. Yes, I know na kotse. And yes, we know we have kotse na pwede gamito. As of now, medyo traffic. Sobrang kapuyan ko mag-drive. Tsaka kapagod mag-drive. So, as of now, we just had our 88 Daiso experience.
Hello guys, good evening. It's too bad, so sad.
wala may nakatanoog movie sa Centrio because gusto na matanawon ang Moana. But the thing is, 4:40 PM lang taman. Medyo boring man ang mga alternative movies. So we decided to get back to the hotel. Tapos nidaan mi og 88 store, katong Daiso, which is naka-shop mi gamay. Look at that. Ay, shit, sorry. Look at that. That's the Daiso Japan. I'm going to make a vlog about it kung unsa mga napalit for the 88 pesos because we spend a little bit medyo mura and quality ang ilang mga items. So, we bought some. So, yun.